Okay guys, this is a 2025 Honda Odyssey EXL, presented you from Real Deal Auto. Front wheel drive, rebuilt title. Damage was upper area right here. Didn't look like it got any impact on the frame. Just blew a bunch of airbags, so they had to replace all the airbags. $31.22 on the mile, so just over 3,000 miles. Adaptive cruise, lane assist, that's your Apple CarPlay, all your different options, heated seats here, Android Auto, wireless charging here, smart key, backup camera, power sliding doors, rear glass. Let's see. Gotta unlock it to make it work, huh? There's your VIN number. Sunroof. Seven passenger, you can get a 8th seat here. They're typically $200 to $400. I can help you out if that's what you decided you needed. Basically brand new tires since it only has 3,000 miles on it. Tires are all original factory tires. These do have the sunshades here. Manual. Take a good look at that dash, make sure it looks like it should. '25 Honda Odyssey EXL.